Okay, today we're going to be learning about layer mask, right? So one of the things that we're going to do today, we're going to make sure that we have our basketball and our earth here. You notice on the basketball layer, it's over top of the earth, and I want to kind of blend those two layers. So the first thing I want to do is I want to be able to make the image on top of each other so I can see the direct side. So if I move this, you notice that now I cannot see the earth layer. So therefore I have to go to the opacity, turn it down to about 30%. Right, so now I can see a little bit lower. Now I can see the basketball in the background layer. So I want to make sure that I'm choosing that. There we go. Now put them on top of each other. Now I want to go to the layer mask. Right. Notice on the layer mask, you have a white little background right here that's like showing white. And in order to be able to paint on something, you have to be able to make it black to hide. So what I have to do is I have to choose Command I to be able to do that. Notice how I turned it black. Now I go to my paintbrush and I want to make sure that this is white because I can't paint black on black. So in order to do that, I have to choose X on my keyboard. Now my paintbrush tool, I can go back in and paint over certain areas that I want to make them show up. So you notice like on here, my paintbrush is a little too big, so I want to make sure that I change the size of my paintbrush so I can be able to get those details in there. Right. Outline some of those things that's in my background as I go through. Change some of these characteristics. Right. And I'm going a little bit fast on this, so I want you to take your time and go in and change this here. Let's see. Now, once I've done that, now I can go back into the opacity and raise that up back to 100%. Now you can notice that some of the things that you see, right? You see some of that earth here. Now I want to blend this. Now one of the ways that I can blend it is I have to be able to go into this little layer here. It says normal. Change that to something like overlay. You notice now it changed the background layer to overlay of what I have. So I have to be able to choose and direct certain things and make that look better. Now, understanding this concept, now when we want to turn it in, we have to be able to go to File, Save As, and with the mask tool, put your ID number, make sure you change it to your desktop folder, create one, you can save it as Photoshop. And then when you're finished saving it as a Photoshop file, you go to JPEG to turn it in, and this file is complete.